What's going on, guys? Last episode I said we were going to look at skateboard safety gear in the next episode. And some of you may have been like, dude, you've been talking about photography and traveling. What does skateboarding have to do with it? Much less the safety gear for skateboarding. Well, I'll be real with you. I almost quit YouTube after the first year. Seriously. After the first year of running this place and the studio and doing all of this editing, I found myself being way more sedentary. Really busy, but not active enough. And I was way more prone to junk food and energy drinks, and when 255 pounds became the average weight, I knew I had to do something different.
Mountain biking was great and all, but the trails were a 40-minute drive each way, making it a little impractical to do daily. So it became an every once in a while activity. So I asked myself, what can I do anytime that has the same level of physicality and fun? I started skateboarding, and it was so uplifting, I was hooked. Skating almost every night in a parking lot about a block from my house turned everything around. I was having so much fun skating that it influenced the rest of my life for almost 2 years now. Eating foods that make me feel healthy so that I have fun skating later. Sleeping enough to recover and resting enough to skate again the next day.
And this modus guides me to make better decisions. In turn, this whole part of my life allows me to do way better work.
60 pounds lighter and still making content for you guys. Skating saved me physically and provided the sense of accomplishment I needed to keep creating and trying to do a better job here.
I don't just want you to find a great activity to better your life that fits your life. I also want to impart to you how important it is to protect yourself while doing that activity, i.e. pads, helmets. While this video is not sponsored, I did reach out to 187 Killer Pads to get you guys 10% off at 187killerpads.com with the promo code SQUID10 at checkout.
The next installment of the Squidboarding series is going to be on entry-level pads and what to consider when going to buy them.
In this new series, we'll talk about skateboard safety gear and the awesome things that you can do to try to learn how to skateboard for the very first time. Next episode, we'll be taking Yvonne on her vacation and trying to catch up on editing some of these photos that have been piling up. Remember, unleash yourself, do more, give it a shot, a squid shot.